Hello guys, welcome to another matplotlib tutorial in Python. In this video tutorial, we're going to discuss about drawing histogram. So let's get straight into it. Uh, so let's declare x value, which will be an random number from NumPy random number generator. So x equals. So you have to import NumPy and matplotlib for this one. Uh, so and then now let's generate random number. Random dot rand. Let's start with 2, and then float dot hist x dot show. Save and execute. So this is a simple. So you know what this thing generates. If you understand like how this thing generates, so it generates. It generates. Wait. My previous. Okay. So this thing generates the value that is specifying here based based on a mean value of 0 and a variance of 1 in both direction. So let's start playing with the arguments of the histogram. Let's say you give it here, you give it 5. Save and run. So this thing gets thicker. The default value is 10. So if you make it 10, you get to see the same as what we saw, like without entering any arguments for this. They call it bin. So let's go for like 25. Save this, and then let's generate 100, 10,000. No, yeah. Save and press F5. So it's actually created a good looking bell curve for us. Okay. Now it's all like that's what I told. The mean is this one and the variance. So this value will be like somewhere around -9, and this will be like minus 0.9. This will be like plus 0.9. So you get to check that one when you print it out. Print x, save and F5. Actually, you don't get to see that, but this will be the mean, and then it goes till minus 0.9. On the positive side, it goes till plus 0.999. So that's how this thing works. So let's play with few other parameters and plotting this histogram. So the range will be range equals -50, 50. So this determines the x-axis range. So it's going to exclude everything that doesn't lie within that range. So actually you're telling it I want only like 50% on this side and 50% on the other side. Okay, what did I get? Yeah, range equals. Okay. Now let's execute this again. Every time you execute this, you get to see a bit different histogram because it's actually a random number, right? Okay. Now let's give some other value there. There is Instagram type. This type is gonna be, let's make it step filled. If you open the matplotlib documentation for Instagram, um, there is type, it can take bar stack, step, and step fill. So they have their own sort of definition for bar stack, step, and step fill. You could just go and try it out. Like if you want to make a really detailed histogram, so you could also check out the other parameters in the histograms. I mean other arguments. So you could check them all out. So if you want to make a really detailed histogram, so in order to, here we'll be like trying to understand how to build a basic histogram. So let's try to change the alignment. Normally the alignment will be on the left hand side of the bin. So let's make it to the middle. Let's move it to the middle. So this will align it to the middle, and then the color is gonna be G for green. The label, you can also give label. Label is gonna be test data. Save this and press F5. So here we go. This is our Instagram. It looks really weird. Okay, let's multiply this by 20 since we are going for this. Okay, now we got a really cool looking Instagram. So last time why we didn't get this is because we got the value between -1 and +1. So now we actually multiplied that by 20. So that's the reason like we got a really good looking Instagram because we defined the range between it's -50 and +50. You just get rid of this one and specify the range as -1 and +1. Save this LFI. So you get to see like this. Now it's like really occupied. Now let's go for like -0.5 and +0.5. Now you get to see a good bulk curve. I'm not from -0.5 and +0.5. Save this and execute. Shit, looks like a piece of crap that I don't want to look at. Save. Do I save it actually? Okay, kill everything. Just don't get close to program. I don't want to debug that. Save minus 0.5 and plus 0.5. Save and press F5. Okay, so we're not getting that one, so we don't have to bang our head on the table. I'm just gonna like multiply this by 2020. Still it's getting randomized. So I'm gonna like go back to where it was normal. Now it should be a good looking bulk curve. This is what we want. Actually what it does, it generates a value between mean as 0, the variance as 1. So it can go between -1 and +1. And we are multiplying those values with multiplying them all by 20. Okay, and then we are plotting that here with like 50% on both the sides. 50% of the values on both the sides of the range, which is what it is. Let's make it like 90 on both the sides. Let's see how it looks. Save, close all of the everything else other than the one that you want. Okay, cancel. Cancel everything. I don't want this one. Save and press F1. Okay, now you get to see. It covers actually the histogram has actually narrowed down. Minus 19 plus 90. So if you go for 100, maybe 110 and plus 110. So you get to see nothing left here. So it's actually converged around like it settled down around like how we say maybe 70. So let's give the value of 70. I think this video tutorial is going to be one hell of a long tutorial. I'm ranting and raving, playing with these parameters, which you can obviously do it by yourself. Save this. Yeah. So we are right. So this thing specifies the range. Okay, thanks for watching the video tutorial. If you guys have any doubts, then comment below. If not, like the video, subscribe to the channel. In our next video tutorial, we'll be discussing about box plots in matplotlib. Till then, bye for now. Thanks for watching. Shit, this thing is not coming up. What the heck? Yeah, bye guys.